Alright guys, this is Rod with W-BodyTech.com, and today we're going to be showing you how to replace a window regulator in a 2004 to 2008 Pontiac Grand Prix. This is the driver's side rear window regulator. This was not functioning properly. It was sealed up by the original owner with something stuck in the window. Clean that stuff up a little bit. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the door lock on this, make it a little easier to do the door panel. I don't want to mess them up. So this is on screws, like so. Comes right out. Put it in a safe place. And then the next thing to do is pop out this and pop this out. And for this you need a little flat screwdriver so we won't scratch up. If you have the aluminum insert, it will be gentle to scratch them. You have plastic, just pop it out, no big deal. These are pretty easy. You can kind of put your hand behind here, pull it, and it's got two tabs and hold it, and that's all it is. And this bottom one here, pop in the screwdriver, push against the rubber here so it will scratch the door itself, or the handle. Go ahead down the side here, pop it out, comes right like that. Now for the next step, you're going to need a 10mm socket. Get the thinnest one you can get. You want a nice thin socket because the holes here are not too big. So this socket, if you get a deep socket, whatever, it's going to go in tight and not going to come back out. So you got to do is push on this until you can get to the 10 all the way in the back here. And you can feel it. It's tight at first, and then it loosens back up. Yep, that one's out. So you can either shake the door and it comes right up. This one the same way. Push down with some pressure until you can feel it grabbing. And then once it's on there, just turn it until it loosens up. It's going to push the socket out when you do it, so you know it's turning. Anyway, that's out. Next step is you're going to pry on the bottom of the door or pull on it and get these clips off and get these off and lift up from the bottom up. So you can do it this way, get your hand down here like so, like that. And then this whole thing lifts up. Grab that bolt and unplug your harness for the window switch. Go ahead and put it this way. Now the next step here is take off the get it out of the way first. You want to take off this plastic. It looks like it's been off once before, it looks like anyway. Gently, you don't want to rip this, because you want to get in here, you got to get access to this area here. And you want to put it back the way it came off, so you don't want to take it all the way off. Just take it off just enough to get it out of the way, so you can line it right back up again. Alright, and these are all 10mm also, so you can crack these loose. Now, one thing I did skip, I forgot to mention, was the window. Let me see if you can put it down without the switch in here. This window, you want it, yeah, I got to put the switch back in. You want to bring it down a little bit because it makes it easier. It's going to make it a whole lot easier to mess with this regulator. So, I'm going to put the whole door panel back in. Let's see here if I can take this off without putting this whole door panel on. I'm not going to mess with it. Got those real weak tabs, it looks like so. Put them here and door lock. I think the window lock's on. Yeah, okay. So it looks like this thing is not going to really move. Yeah, this whole thing's busted right here, you can see it. Probably a good thing. That way I can go ahead and move the glass maybe? Yeah, perfect. Alright, we won't bring the glass down because what we want to do is there's some 10s on here. So hold it. You have a 10 here and a 10 here. Unbolt those, and it'll loosen these clamps up, and the glass will slide right out. And you want to do this that way. You can get the regulator in and out easier. So that's out. And these, you can take out just enough to. Here's that one. There's one back here behind this door handle. You can get this out. You either take the door handle off or take it from the top here of the winch. Here, and that should be it. Okay, there's just one here. Yeah, pop that cap out. You see a nut here. This one you don't gotta take all the way either. It's just gonna lift these up. So 1, 2. Here's 3. I believe. Right? Could be wrong. Let me double check here. We got these bolts out, and then there's 2 holding the glass. It's come loose, and the glass comes out. So what you can do now is you can pull this glass out, or try to. And if it gets hard, you can take the screws out all the way. These down here, little rubbers, which actually I'm gonna actually do because they seem to be a bit tight. I'm gonna take these out all the way on the bottom, just because I want it to be a little bit more loose and easy to get the glass out. Off the regulator, and I'll just line it back up with the new one. There we go, that's better. Bottom over here, same deal. There we go. There we go, now we're getting it. The glass is out, so I'm going to do lift the regulator, the whole thing out. Unplug it. Pull the regulator, put the window up. Keep the window as high as you can go for now. It's a broken one. Now I'm going to put the good one in. Right, it goes like this. This ain't too hard. So what we're going to do is plug this one in. I have to cut wire here, so take this off. So, put this one down a little bit. Okay. This being down, I'm going to transfer some hardware over, which would be these screws here as they come out. The screws that hold the glass, make sure you have them in the new one. You just throw it in there. Either. Go ahead and put that one in. Put some screws in this. Get it lined up with everything else. Okay. Alright. Put the glass up. And you want to get the glass to sit inside the track. Both of them, make sure it's sitting both of these. Put that one in. And that one's in. Now, we can bring the glass down. Let's sit, make sure it's in both tracks here. That's done. Okay. Now bring it down slowly. To tighten down the window clamps themselves. Okay, that one's done. All right. That's it. Reassemble everything, and you're done. Put everything back. Just these little tabs that you can line up and just wrap. Line all those up as best as you can, anyway. Lock back on. And if you want these chrome locks for your Grand Prix, you can contact us. info@WBodyTech.com. We have more of these. You can replace them with your plastic ones. You have the ones come with the car. Put these pins back in. Now remember, you got to do them until they're tight. And you got to wiggle out your wrench. So the socket might get stuck in here. Keep turning it without pressure and let it back out like so. Reassemble this. Alright, that works. Put this back on. Clean all your door off. Check, make sure all the switches work properly, the front and the back. Everything working good. Awesome. Now we have working windows. This is great. Alright. Well, I hope this video helped you. If there's anything I can do to improve these videos for you, give you more information or how to get the parts, whatever, let me know. I'm here to help. I just want to help you guys out so you don't have to go to the mechanic and pay extra fees. But this is pretty easy. Junkyard pull. I went to junkyard and got it out for like I think 30 bucks or something for a window regulator. When online, I think the cheapest I found was like 40 or 50 bucks new, and there was some off-brand stuff. So I went with OEM, and that was it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that's it.